Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 10. Using font properties. You can change the font, style and size of the text. Let us discuss some of the font property in detail. Font property is used to set all the font properties in one declaration. The font properties that can be set are font style, font size, font family. Font style specifies the font style of the text that can take the values normal, italic or oblique. The default value is normal. Font size sets the size of the font that can take any one of the values which is given in the table 10.2. If you specify an absolute value for this property, then you can give the value in any unit like px, pt, etc. Font family property specifies the font for the text in the HTML element. For example, font family is Arial Times New Roman. Note, font names are separated by commas, and if the font name consists of spaces, then it must be written within the quotes. Font specifies all the font properties in one declaration. Font family, it specifies a list of font names. Font size, it specifies the size of a font. Font style, it specifies the style of the font. Setting margins. The margin properties are used to set the margins for an HTML element. Margin. It sets all the margin properties in one declaration. Margin bottom, margin left, margin right and margin top. Margin bottom. It sets the fixed bottom margin of an elephant. Margin left. It sets the left margin of an element. Margin right. It sets the right margin of an element. Margin top. It sets the top margin of an element. Margin properties. The margin properties is used to set all the margins, that is top, left, right and bottom, in one declaration. If you write the margin property as, then the top and bottom margins are 20 px, right and left are 15 px. If we specify the margin property as, it means that all the margins are set to as 15 px. Setting the borders. Border sets all the border properties in one declaration. Border width. It specifies the width of the border. Border style. It specifies the style of the border. Border color. It specifies the color of the border. You should specify the border style property before the border color property, as an element must have a border before you change its color. Inline styles. Inline styles are used to apply a style to a specific elements on a web page. For creating and applying inline styles, you need to add a style attribute to the HTML tag. This type of style is useful when you want to define specific styles for individual HTML elements. Some of the tricky terms which we will learn. What is a font? A set of printable or displayable text characters in a specific style and size. Deprecated element. An outdated element that is still supported but would become obsolete in the future. Some of the important points. The paragraph element lets us to define the paragraph. The horizontal rule element draws a line across the page. Are used to make bold, text, italic respectively. Using font properties, you can change the font size and style of the text. The text properties provide you with various text formatting options and help you to format the text in a web page. It is a font name consists of a space then it should be written within the double quotes. The command tags are used to add commands to an HTML document. The heading element is used to add section headings. Margin properties can be used to set the margin for an HTML element. Border properties can be used to set styles of border of any HTML element. You should specify the border style property before the border color property as an element. Must have a border before you change its color. Inline styles. They are used to apply a style to a specific elements on a web page. Thank you. We will end our class here.